Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Friendly English Podcast. I'm Ethan, and as always, I'm here with the wonderful Sophia.
Hi everyone. I'm so happy to be here. This is the podcast where we help you learn real English, the kind you can actually use in daily life, in a fun and friendly way.
That's right. And today's episode is all about talking about your job in English, what you do, your daily work, and even your future goals.
Exactly. Whether you're a student, an office worker, or looking for a job, this topic is super useful. By the end of today's episode, you'll be able to introduce your job, describe your daily tasks, and talk about your career dreams, all in simple English.
Let's start with something basic: how to say what your job is. A good way to start is I'm a plus your job. For example, I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. I'm a nurse.
That's right. And if you don't have a job right now, you can say, I'm a student. I'm looking for a job. I'm between jobs. That last one, I'm between jobs, is a polite way to say you don't have a job at the moment.
Good tip. And here's something to remember: we usually say a or an before a job. We say a teacher, but an engineer, because engineer starts with a vowel sound.
Yes, it's a small grammar point, but it makes your English sound smooth and natural. Okay, now let's talk about daily work. A lot of people find it hard to describe what they do every day in English.
A simple way to start is with the sentence I work in, or I work at. For example, I work in a hospital. I work at a bank. I work for a technology company.
Nice. And you can also say what you do at work. For example, I answer emails. I talk to customers. I design websites.
Exactly. Use simple present tense when you talk about your daily work because it describes things you do regularly.
Let's practice a short example conversation.
Sure. Let's do it.
Ethan, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I work at a language school, and I help students learn English. What about you?
I'm a content creator. I make videos and write lessons to help people learn English online.
Nice. That's a great example. Short, clear, and natural.
Now, let's move to another important part: future goals. You can use want to or would like to talk about what you want in the future.
Right. For example, I want to get a new job. I would like to work abroad. I want to start my own business.
And if you're talking about studying, you can say, I want to learn new skills. I'd like to take an English course.
Here's a quick grammar note. We say want to plus verb. So, I want to learn. Not I want learn. Don't forget that too.
Good reminder. And using would like to sounds a bit softer and more polite. For example, I'd like to be a manager one day.
Let's share our own future goals. Sophia, what's one of your goals?
I'd like to write an English learning book one day. How about you?
That's amazing. For me, I'd like to travel more and record podcast episodes from different countries.
Oh, that sounds fun. The Friendly English Podcast World Tour.
Let's review some key words from today's episode.
Sure. Job, the work you do to earn money. Workplace, the place where you work. Daily tasks, the things you do every day at your job. Career, your work life over a long time. Goal, something you want to achieve in the future.
And don't forget our useful phrases. I work in /at /for. I want to. Or, I'd like to.
Perfect.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Try answering these questions in English. 1. What's your job or what do you do every day? 2. Where do you work or study? 3. What's one goal you have for the future?
You can practice speaking out loud, or even better, write your answers in the comments or send us a voice message.
Yes. We love hearing from you. Tell us about your job and goals. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every time you practice, your English gets better.
Absolutely. Learning a language is a journey. Be patient and keep going.
Alright, friends, that's all for today's episode of the Friendly English Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about your job and your future in English.
If you liked this episode, please follow the podcast, share it with a friend, and leave us a comment or review.
And remember, stay friendly, keep practicing, and keep learning English every day.
Bye, everyone.